Okay, the following basic window appears when you start the Excel application. Okay, let us now understand the various important parts of this window. Okay, some basic elements that can be found in Excel windows are, alright, the first one, we go through one by one. Quick access bar. Okay, what is the functions of quick access bar? It allows to quickly perform a command buttons by clicking the button instead of using the ribbon. Okay, so the next one, okay, is a title bar. Okay, it displays the name of the workbooks. Okay, so next is a name box. Okay, it contains the reference of the active cell. Okay, so next we have formula bar. Alright, so formula bar displays the content of the active cell. Okay, and then we have worksheet. Is organized in rows and columns. Okay, data are entered into the cells. Okay, and then we have scroll bar is used to navigate around a worksheet. It can be either a vertical or horizontal bar. Okay, and then we have sheet tab. Okay, it will display the name of a worksheet. Okay, and then we have status bar. It displays information on the selected command or an operation currently in progress. Okay, and then we have mode indicator. It will indicate the current state of the Excel program. Okay, the most common mode is ready, enter, edit, and endpoint. Okay, so next, okay, we have select all button. What is the functions of select all button? Is used to select all cells in a worksheet. Okay, and then we have column header. Okay, columns are labeled with letters. Okay, and then we have row header. Rows are labeled with numbers. Okay, that is a difference. Okay, and then we have active cell. What is the meaning of active cell? The cell where you can enter new data or edit its content. Okay, alright, and then we have cell. Okay, what is the meaning of cell? It is the intersection of a row and a column. Okay, a cell reference is identified by its column letter and its row number. Okay, and then we have tab scrolling buttons. Okay, to scroll sheet tabs in or out of the Excel window. Alright, and then the last element we have here is active sheet. What is the meanings of active sheet? The worksheet that is currently in view.